by Earth observations. Of course, it has very practical importance to us. So that's a regime of astrophysics, star physics, solar physics. Then, of course, we have a regime of here we are in a nice little universe, nice little solar system. We have some planets. We have Jovian planets, which are the large gaseous planets, and terrestrial planets. So there's been a lot of studies of those, a lot of exciting adventures to them made by NASA and some of the other space agencies in the world, where probes have landed, have made extensive photographs, have made extensive environmental measurements, and this brings us into a world where we kind of compare the Earth to our nearby planets. And this is a field which sometimes is referred to as planetology. It turns out that many stars have, not surprisingly, planets around them. So now there's a field also which is called exoplanetology. Is a term used, right? I kind of used it, but it's the searching for planets, exoplanets, that are outside of our solar system. In other words, they are revolving around other stars. Those really turn out to be the main branches that are kind of related to physics and chemistry. It's also a field which is somewhat more, it gets into biology, and it gets into the question of a little bit of philosophy. Are we alone, or is the universe teeming with life? The word used is exobiology, biology outside of the Earth. Of course, many things live on Earth. They live in all sorts of harsh environments, from deep down in the ocean near sulfur vents that are kind of volcanic, places that, of course, humans can never survive for not even a millisecond. But life survives there. So it becomes a question, well, life is very tolerant. Life can live in many places. So, of course, life must be living outside of Earth. Well, how come we haven't found any? How come it hasn't come and found us? Or has it? Are we surrounded by aliens or not? These are all, it gets into a rather speculative area. And it's a kind of a fuzzy area. Is it really astronomy? Is it not? We emit electromagnetic radiation at a constant steady stream out into the universe. Well, if there's other civilizations out there that are able to emit electromagnetic radiation, why haven't we detected it yet? We've tried, and there's a whole effort called SETI. So this is a question of exobiology. So quickly summarizing, the fields of, which is coined under a broad term, astrophysics or astronomy, that people will study and think of as one subject. There are really lots of different subjects. We have something which is cosmology, which involves lots of theoretical physics, complex concepts, involves some really big questions, and of course huge scales. Then we have the tamer world of astrophysics, which is the study of stars, the evolution of stars, and solar physics is the branch that involves our sun. Then we have the world of planetary physics, or planetary science, or planetology. You'll see those words used interchangeably, which refers to the study of the planets and comparison of Earth to those. And then we have exobiology. So that's gives you a quick summary, and almost any article you read in Astronomy magazine, for example, will fall into one of these various branches. So at that, I'll leave it. Again, feel free to ask me questions, and I'll try my best to answer them. Have a good day, have a good evening, and farewell. Bye-bye.